How's it going, Quant holders? We're going to take a look at what Quant is about to do today. We have seen some coins like XRP already breaking out. So is there potential that Quant is about to break out? This is what we're going to be talking about. Sorry if you could hear my pug. She's not even sleeping. She's just making noise. But anyway, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. We're going to see, if Quant could actually break to the upside, and maybe a few people will miss out on this move, but please do understand that there are some key levels of resistance ahead that I've mentioned in the past videos, and they could step in. But as of now, we can see that we are trapped underneath the 1 fib level at $90.75, and today could be the day where we actually push through it. We're seeing those signs on the 4-hour time frame where price came to the 1 fib level, actually rejected it, and started bouncing off that 1618 again. Can you see it was once support and it gave us this bounce into the 1 fib level? Well, we rejected the 1 fib and we came down to that point and rejected it again. And so we did the exact same thing, coming from the 1618 back to the 1 fib, 1618 back to the 1 fib. So all we're basically waiting for is a little push above $90.75 on the 4-hour. Again, this could be the 1 hour, so you just wait for those closes. So now on the 1 hour time frame, just need a 1 hour close and then consistently hold above this, and then we get this slingshot motion into the golden pocket. And we've been talking about this level. This level is so important. It's what's kept us in this downtrend and allowed us to meet all these targets, which would have been a great point to actually DCA. We know this anyway, and we can see that very nice reversal after it held this candle support. And what we were saying initially down here is, now that it's held this, it's actually going to attempt to come up to here. What stands in the way is this point. Go back to the daily, we can see the moving averages are over there as well. We were talking about in the last few updates how if we were to push into this big box between 94 and 100, we're looking at those lowest bodies over here where the moving averages are basically heading. So yes, there could be a move that's about to come that a lot of people will miss out on to the upside. However, we're expecting it to top out eventually, okay? So things can change. I think that if we're getting up to this price point, that would be Bitcoin heading to 28, 29, 30k. And we've been saying over the last few weeks, so not only just last week, maybe 2-3 weeks now, that Bitcoin could actually get up as high as 30k, and it still wouldn't be good enough to change this into an uptrend. So a similar thing would be if Quant gets up to $100, it's not changing the trend, it's just running back into what was previous support for multiple months on end, almost a year, just as resistance, looking for continuation lower. Of course, that path can be invalidated just like anything. But yeah, there could be a move that some people miss out from this point if it breaks through $90.40 all the way up into that about $96, $97 area. And then from that point, I'm going to look for rejections for a move back down. So let's see what can happen. Hope you holders are now ready. So yeah, just get ready. The sleeping giant is now waking up. It will go up a little bit higher if we do break through this area. But please do understand, even if it pumps and you miss out on that bullish move and you think, oh, it's going to keep going, understand that you are running into a previous support as resistance. So you're not actually really missing out on anything, okay? You might think, oh, damn it, I've missed this huge buy trade. It's just short term, guys. We're running into resistance. So what we should be expecting from that point is look for shorts. So you might have missed the pump. Look for shorts, look for the topping out process, look for bearish divergences, look for golden pockets. Is there any key levels of resistance in this area? We can quickly check. So you can go from the top to the bottom here, showing you the 0.5 is that it's exactly there. Also got the psychological level, $100. You can go from here as well. It's also saying it's the golden pocket over here. So a lot of things are telling us that there's resistance in the way, even if we get this pump. So don't feel like you've missed out if you haven't caught this move, even though we literally said down here we're expecting a reversal to the upside, and then there's going to be some resistance where we are right now. And if you somehow manage to push through that resistance, as we said at the beginning of the week, we're still expecting resistance ahead over here. So break through $92.40 over here, you still got a resistance ahead, and we're expecting dumps from there. So look for all those sell signals at this point between $94 and $100. And yeah, we'll look to analyze next week when that does actually come. Again, if you fail to even break through this resistance, however, we are getting breakouts now on some alts, so I'll be led to believe that we will get some over here or on all alts. If that is not the case, this is the resistance where we should be expecting dumps from. But as I'm seeing alts like, let's just find XRP. Alts like XRP exploding at the moment. Can you see over here? Bitcoin at 27k, yeah, it's at resistance, but if it can just push through these resistance points, we've got a pump up to 28, 29, 30k. So going back to Quant over here, that could be this pump into this area, but please understand it's not enough. We would eventually go lower from here. Do like, subscribe, comment, and share. I've got 2 slots available, so there were 3 for the 25% discount on the mentorship. There's only 2 more slots available there. So if you want to take action, please do so over these next days and weeks, and I'll be sitting with you over a 5 to 10 hour period, teaching you one-to-one how to become a self-sufficient trader with all the tips and tricks that you need for the entries, exits, take profit, stop loss, risk to reward management, all the things that the criteria needed to enter a trade, and if they're not met, you're not taking the trade. For more information, private message me. You're also going to get my course and 3 months free in my chat included in the price, and there's only 2 slots left. You can just join the chat. We had some 2 people join in the last couple of days. Just use the links in the description, or you can take action on my course, which will allow you to get 3 months in my chat to have those group mentorship calls. If you actually message me over this weekend and next week, I'll give you a discount on the course as well. I just need to private message me on x.com. Just click the links underneath this video and it'll take you there. Cheers.